Alright. Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Wilson.
And I'm Ian Johnson.
We've created this channel to be a discussion forum where we talk about philosophy, mainly religion, science, and politics. I am a unorthodox Christian, meaning I fall somewhere between fundamentalist and moderate. I am also a conservative Republican, would be my political affiliation.
And I am an atheist. I'm actually an atheist to the second power. I am an anti-theist. I actually don't like religion that much at all, and I go out of my way to try to disprove it in a way. Not really maliciously, but, you know, in a discussion type of way. I try to produce some fallacies and that type of thing. As far as my political affiliation, I don't really have one. I guess the closest thing would be a Democrat, but there are just too many things I disagree with that political affiliation, so honestly, I don't really have one.
Makes sense. So we're going to be discussing all kinds of topics. We're going to be starting with religion, but we're not limiting ourselves to that. So this is just a little bit of introduction of what we'll be talking about on our channel here. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, please feel free to subscribe. And if you guys have anything interesting you'd like us to talk about or discuss with us, feel free to send us a message and we'll do what we can to answer them. But that's all we have for you guys right now, and we hope to be talking to you soon. Thanks.